Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Aurelia and thank you for watching. If you want to see my product review update, please subscribe and follow me. Again, this is Aurelia. I am giving my update for L-GLUTATHIONE. On my first review, I used Nature's Craft product. L-GLUTATHIONE Skin Whitening, Anti-Inflammation, and Antioxidant. That product makes me gain weight, so I stopped using it. But Nature's Craft L-GLUTATHIONE, it is working for skin whitening and anti-inflammation, and it is also good for antioxidant. So the only problem I have for Nature's Craft product is I start gaining weight. So I changed my brand. I am using Be Shiny. This is a brightening vitamin C, and this is a Be Shiny L-Glutathione. It's a skin whitening, anti-inflammation, and antioxidant product. And the only difference is it doesn't have any milk. I am using 1000 milligram. And this one is also 1000 milligram, and I'm using it every morning. I'll take them both at the same time. And so far I've been using it for almost 30 days, and total of about almost 2 months I am using L-Glutathione, and the result is amazing. Yes, this product is like magic. It will make your skin lighter and it makes it smoother. The truth is I have dark around my eyes and my prinkles in my face, because before, when I was pregnant, I have a lot of pigmentation, and now they are getting lighter. It's clearing and it's almost gone, and I like it. And for my back pain, L-Glutathione is what they said good for inflammation. So if you're like me, you have back pain, your muscle cramps, L-Glutathione, it's good. And for my own experience, I can say it is good, it's working. And at the same time, I am using my vitamin C, because vitamin C is also good for our health, and it help our skin soft. And for now, L-Glutathione, for the people over there who are looking for a skin whitening product or anti-inflammation, antioxidant, L-Glutathione, it's really work for skin whitening. And I am so happy for the result, because yes, my skin is lightening. In Arizona, here is too hot, and my skin get darker on the summer, and then on the winter it gets lighter. But I don't want it like darker in the summer and then winter you're lighter. So I just want it like lighter like the whole year, where everybody want to be lighter. I don't want to get old, that's why. Nobody want to get old. Okay, so if you are looking for a product that will help you make your skin lighter, you can use L-Glutathione. You can use any L-Glutathione, but for me, I'm using Be Shiny. And so far, I don't have any side effects. I am not gaining weight. And guess what? My blood pressure went down. It's normal now, and my cholesterol is going down. Before, I have a high cholesterol. I am taking a cholesterol medicine, and I am also taking blood pressure medicine. But when I start using L-Glutathione, I stop all my medicine, my pain medication, my blood pressure medicine, and my cholesterol medicine. I stop all of them, and then I start using L-Glutathione. So for the almost 2 months I've been with L-Glutathione product, I don't have any side effect. And yes, my blood pressure is normal. My cholesterol now is going down and it's good. So if you want to use it, you can use it. So you can try it. This one is 60 tablets. It's 1,000 milligram. It cost me $48. You can buy it at Amazon or GNC. And the L-glutathione is also 60 tablets and it's $48. I bought all of this at Amazon. So if you have an account at Amazon, you can get a monthly supply, because sometimes they will run out, then you don't have any tablets to take. So to all the people out there, please continue watching if you want to see my skin result. L-glutathione does work for skin whitening because I am using it for almost 2 months now, and my skin is getting lighter and getting soft. Also my underarm, and you can tell that L-glutathione really works because my elbow is dark before, and now they are lighter. Even on my knee, like your knee. Let's see. So before, this one is dark, the knee, because I am Asian, so my knee is dark. And now they are lighter. So you can try it also if you want your skin lighter, and it helps you for your energy. It helps for back pain and antioxidant. Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see my next update. And disclaimer, I am giving my update based on my experience. This is not a medical advice. Thank you so much. Bye.